Really never seem too scared of us. What was that?
Yeah.
Some other guy stops, they go, they panic and they run. Aren't they supposed to be very aggressive?
Maybe. 2 cubs and a mother feeding on a dead moose beside the highway. The other cub is up there still. There's the other cub. There's cub number 2. And there's the mother. There's the hoof of the moose.
What was that noise? What was that noise?
Okay.
Should I go anymore?
No. There's actually 2 cubs, but I just see the mother with the 1 cub now.
Is that other cub still feeding?
I don't think so. It's a cub. Little baby cub. Feeding on a moose. Started to take off. And this is what they were feeding on. Big dead moose.
I think I see the block.
Dead moose. There was bears feeding on it just 5 minutes ago. Before I hit it, there's a blood trail. Trail of blood.
Where's the mother?
Behind the tree.
It's a dangerous situation, isn't it?
It is. Cub climbed up the tree and the mother's looking at us and we're only like 20 feet away. John's chicken and he's running back to the car.
The mother might also decide she had enough. I can see the mother looking at us right now.
See another bear now. Woo!
Looks like it's about to charge.
I know. That actually looked like it was aggressive there for a while. Yeah, it looks like it might attack, John. Its demeanor and everything. Something stinks, like maybe a dead animal. See a bear? The distance. Bear up there.
Spotted us.
Yeah. Yeah, it's looking.
Might be hidden in the bush right now. Should I start going up there?
Okay. They'll probably run. Just about an hour ago we went down Allen Creek and we encountered a black bear while we were walking. The third adult black bear we saw today, and it started coming towards us. And we were backing up and it was coming towards us, and we were backing up and it was coming towards us. And John picked up a rock and threw it at it, and then it turned around and walked away. I'm a bit paranoid about bears right now. I wish I filmed that. It would have been a cool thing to film. But I was preoccupied. Bear walked along the road up there. Okay. Don't move, don't move. Saw about 20 porcupines today so far, and 5 adult black bears and a mother and a cub. Well, a cub and 5 adults.
Come on, Ron!
Okay, there's a cub up a tree, and we just seen the mother bear. And we're going down this Celeste trail.